still works, but the rule is if the ball does not get into the goal post or if the keeper saves it, finito. The referee either takes a goal kick or allows the defender to clear the ball. No. What if the ball does not go to the defender, but the ball your ball kick in the horse?
And I say call the opposing take a kick in Horma. And so it means that say Horma you'll be forced to kick out.
Yeah, I said wow
penalty. No, colleagues now you are forced to kick it to touch.
To touch or pass it to your.
You pass it to her, then you get additional advantage.
Okay.
What do I say? I was say you'll be forced to kick it to the touch or to the baseline. What do I say? Now, minim say you best starting it is a fair play. Say them. I think say also a call into the.
I think Major. Therefore we come because there is a ibi wahana ma nchichemu kakra bi waha. Okay, when we are. Also meaning players will no longer need to line up on the edge of the area. You understand?
I understand. So that keeper no punch ball on the bar. Keeper no bet me I get it closer to the ball than the players are getting on the baseline.
Yeah.
And I said the 18 line.
Because you say when you line up at the edge of the reason for lining up at the edge of the area is
the semicircle now penalty. Okay.
Say a point bar. Open it bit me
okay,
now once a year free no, there's no need for you to go and line up at the edge because of point back crowd to and you that pressure is no longer there for the goalkeeper.
And can say other players in now could the halfway and I said the circle. The center circle.
I think say keep on a point bar. Say my keep on the same fat. Now it do say
because rule it is there for us to obey. And then about who you can play it somewhere.
So be point bar. Keep on a point ball. No, say and I say pin bar near bar. I say keep on the sack of a ball. No, the better goal kick.
No, but also the another bow. Okay, no be adding
because so be to be monk and said then the keeper must pick the ball and put it there. Now on as a goal kick to resume play. Maybe for say but
and the rebound a bit take charge of even the upright and the crossbar nyina say bopo ne bar and no nyina ka ho yeah Simon
I think Mosho if the goalkeeper saves so I got it or a referee was Mosho if the goalkeeper saves the ball play is stopped for the game to restart in the case of rebound from the goalkeeper. See, in the case of rebound from the goalkeeper,
okay,
the goalkeeper, first was save.
Was save, you know.
Okay, I'll say Hano. If the goalkeeper saves the ball,
okay,
play is stopped for the game to restart. In the case of rebound from the goalkeeper,
the person can say, Rooney explicit. Say keeper no punch ball na, and no one say referee na boheso. Near stop play no.
Okay.
And sana they restart it.
Okay, now send you restart. So that it ends there. Okay. You better just add the way which remove. I think
at the right time, I was saying officials no more any explanation back because more than. But so my mention Benjamin Patapa and I say Patawa. I also Patawa. Patawa mention of Mr. Daniel D. Roxon's Ventures. Okay, I know. Channel and now so for Kempon. Want to say Yancha and so on. And the rules in Abano.
But young normalization cancer well as a bear.
Okay.
Can you bad?
And can you bad? I think one of the major concerns all these days and all these years. What do you say? And I think it do be a man for face normalization and the minimum pay masem keke. Entino issues ba yeka. We are talking about the development of the game of our football. The past administrators in there, be messy up things. I agree. That is why we are in this position, normalization. And your man koye, and your man yakama. Until see normalizing your man. And untina this side form member a buy the biameka say I am not FIFA government as a great the service to Ghanaians with a choice of membership no me face crofobia one man almost fata but thank God last Friday there was a big meeting kasia pa kwaso abankesim abra normalization bopia the president his excellency the first gentleman of the land. It's a command the roadmap. Baby, my adjuma kodro. Winning say nansem baby na clubs na sorry tia. Woman pese special competition beba so. Woman pese bibia normalization ye bia na beba so. Enti twuma me ntwum ho. Enti ene behwa na form this committee, na form this one. Ene ya special competition hunti ya power committee ezo omko pesika omumpe ho nkomomra se de be anioma betimi akoyie. Na in the meeting no ana mo show de ye tete ene se FIFA any normalization committee na di nkomo. De omo catch normalization is the roadmap ano mo hwehwe baby ano mo hwehwe se normalization de adwuma no koduru no enye ho na koduru enti omo de omo nse ka membership no omo se sankrofo bi normalization mu. What it is that siasi nipa mienu na me titisi yes so omo dia na normalization extension no ekwana dem dia momo because obviously say nipa enan na ye adwuma na se FIFA say adwuma ne nkoyie na report e ba che say way anyway adwuma na enso ani ntinima adwuma ne nkoyie na FIFA so okay me de emwa eba me de nipa mienu bia se bi omunim de ebe wurema e die ya FIFA ebe ma extension netumi aba enti die betimi aka se extension aba extension aba
and a membership no so assistant
secretary aba membership metimi aka che say lawyer dua dontin exclusively they gather e che say ono de anhwe aka no ono anhwe aka no lawyer dua dontin anhwe aka no de ye tete mintimi confirm on radio enfama but de metete ne say enkomo no empe the roadmap of the FIFA no eni nchechemu I mean the responsibilities of membership say be do meeting na nkofo bi ma e be do meeting na nkofo bi tiwo na obu huru contributions so mo de beba e be do bi na ya mo madwuma so mo nkoye mo be da adwuma no so sa o mo fa mada yes yetimi mo bi document go and prepare this na otwumi enu on beba the next meeting no fa mai enti akalo ya dua dontin akano me titize sa obano no so di asichire pa no wono so anhwe be ka no because obi che se wono di o ma hwere dimina ene ni composer yese ni media utterances no I say won sheda emuade kakra bi sa enti ono so ni din wom kakra enti de abobaba ne se enipa mienu bi de wo mo aka normalization amma yede football people and I say wo mo nim game no mu ba ku mienu bi esa be rum abeboa no ma complete o madwuma no enti woda ha now just 31st normalization bi kodia me ba cho tumda mama start ye mo campaign no monye strategic na mozo enkoma ba ku bi esa ka normalization no ma me fantansa
okay
na me fantansa because football people for here san common pa yamfa san common inte na ye ba into the main discussions na ye bie no so because FIFA krata bi be pie
that's right
FIFA krata bi be pie FIFA krata bi mo so me say be dan na krata ni pia enkrofo bi din e ba pie on the paper san enkrofo no mi ba pie on the paper no a doom's time for them
now your campaign
me say a doom's time for them and he say krata no me mo din ba kwa na
football people mu hinya sa information
me say krata ni pia mo so enkrofo bi din e bema
o say ayi Absalam beba na opanyi bi kan bi o say yentimi o de mame nko Absalam
ya kobra
salam ma che
Mano mujo
na pom ti say
iya bogo
okay na asimfo su ti say
asimfo su mame che ti fo nyina ado de bi du ana kama na supporters breachwe ado da me ye radio programs ni na wi station na wana emi ansa ye ni na wi na no to sa fon so be camera nti ye radio ni na wi fa krum te zoti mo ze match na so na no dia ka ana dia msama ye ni dia kra ni ze onzo ma football o ma di ball ko ma che they say team ne ba ne dia ndi Abdulsalam ni problem omo ma already no mo ma mi say me problem and the support so me support team no say can support on kwa dia any am nkoda so many years omo refer to young players dia omo ya talent okrum ha omo nyina no omo talent na ka omo yem omo talent na fa omo nkoba bia omo ko fa players bi card crab bobo players bi bria omo fi ahanoma ebinom nso ekɔ ha se binom kɔ ada team sa say nyina na na yɛnka team wa se fosi ha kani nyina nso boa wo to bia ba already no obibia obeka to mu nyina asɛm ne sɛ support nkwa na me pɛ nkwa de a and young forget my support nyina be support do kusiada nyina be make sure so be aba park se park ne be man ko ade be make sure so team ne be ka kroma anti che enne among for to other businesses e wa no ma to take team ya ma radio stations no e bo no ma se ofra no ma chobi ushia your friend is radio presenters in the room. We share one of the as we to me bomb with the no much or much of take me. It is over the everybody. I find BBI come and dear.
Okay. Na enti obezo che se asimfo su kro no moduru ho no reception mo de ma mo de we mo gye mo akwa aba no mo de ma mo no excellent. Yes sir.
Yeah, yes, and I was high close to the Viazim. And I'm saying, called the Viazim, close to the Viazim of Kapan is if you come out, but you called the Viazim, or my nice place, yeah, come. You know, tells you, sir, am I ready? Am I ready? Almost all the end after and then, almost more matches. You find your pass, if you catch on pass, if you have the salam, what you all shall to hombre, Kuma by the Kotokana and Bezam show my visit there, or those house and over there, yeah, show more, your Kotoko for your house for your way for, you know, how dear, I can't say, or my dear to my, to say, I move cry.
Okay. Edi ane game no mo ne asimfo su seleside na ebo. Na
interest no. Ntie ne seleside no. You be say because of honorable Canada Japan. Me na shy. Akasa you be say abortion ye bo bibi. Ye bibi she ni mo nyam na the community no so no. Almost say nkwala no e talent. Just a sense after a year, KVS and Libra no money Augusta him for no time no almost a year a year. And then I know much me place be Frank Tex no money almost teacher Frank be no so teacher Frank was teacher you know about
Frank Botting.
Omo place be no mo nyina so free a omo nyina free but after omo no kwala no omo talent ni nyina ka omo yem no because of honorable no ya jinze and the match the me support omo we pick 10 players from after 11 you know the Biaze pick 10 players you registered 20 players ya pick 10 players near do my account. You do my fra, you do my team, and Sunday we are you team or to you team no so no, you have a time and you pick it. The other community no, but over the Biana Hash, I do the name Krum, the Tembia Sana Krum here, the Krum Nipano Krum. The tells us oh, yeah, football, as publicity no coach the Anas and the years over book. Let me keep chances, you can know, or so your friend is a Chimano. Then between you are as support to team. Tinema is fine. Other than so like Sibosru, about a buano, about your friends are also a Casawada, do not do the so. There were your communicators, almost so the Bromocasa reducing. No football administrators be Broma promising me, almost in a comma, or including Georgia Free. Support game.
Okay. And the football administrators in a bank, including no candidate George.
Angolede we candidate George. Amuna debia na list bi bana. The TV free ban ye be you be free ye be. Ya bro. Ya ye campaign sa munum se be you be free ma. But Adamu to ye campaign na ye nam Ghana. But be ye campaign amavo chiska, amavo chebo, amavo chewe, amavo later now Muslim be you be free. So nyame ko empresa. It is a omunum se bibi o wa. Dama na ntechidi ni si na omude no zo ato aso. Enye nda mbetra wa. Obi ampo nye boni bia. Obi anye obi ye. Se ye fi se na football no boni wum. Amanfo nyina omoye corrupt e football. Ewiase nyina but muso emra no echewa na achew. Echewa ye just you apply to the law.
Hello, German.
Hello.
German, my studio. Good morning.
Morning.
German, as I would in command come before. Yeah, can't match in one seminary.
Okay.
Nti yamfa list ya fe na beto ya modi ozo nya candidate o candidate de ba onye bia o so akofa san komo yan kan match nwasem de mbese mi busa ne se make chance sika na da bia o kan sema pesa sika ni bi no na wadru asimfosu a wo chiche ticket free na asimfosu for no o mo nya damo sa nya de mo ba betua be support mo
da be ticket no ko for na to ti se bia wo ma so se no abeto 100 ticket awo che tibu na ambanintia aye wani jino no 200 ticket no chama na wo chama nkofo ezinya ze bia free is MCA wa also to be 1,000 or 500 ticket also sa no che ana make say other agencies and companies in Kitwana wa no obu ano ato 50 ticket obu ano ato 100 ticket no dey man nkofo so mo nche nji ansana hamze ebia take kakana kana and I want for back it about 20 take in there ya to be in advance ya ton dada.
Okay, because no me say me bisa say ultimi brief due diligence or said the asimfosu for na hwebo because a team like new adbia say who move it to a new place na wan hunu nkofo no interest e bia be kohoro match ba ko bon say obi aye o mame mrem free enti die na wonim fa asimfosu fans ho when it comes to say omo patronize clubs and also omo hwe team bi matches e die na wonim fa ho
no you know, Memphis will not make a call, and I'm sure. Assist for social commissioner this time. Because Adom and I enjoy support to us. But the year has a 1 point. A far leak. A basin for sure. Is it between the Tokone has, but I could do 1 point for I'm saying has. It's a year, but in him, I do the basin for sure. By him. Nipa no mo hwe ball okuma ana kro no so ntino nipa no mo hwe ball okuma ana asemo mo kanina the football komna dio mo ache this Abdul Salam eni ni team no zo mo ba dia omo de omo we come there's no way o mema team no asako ba bia mezo ba so mo bo se ade ayete support be kwai mebo my resource I want to me bo na me lead 10 points it tells you the kasi mbobo no dia any problem but problem na mo be kwa me need support obi am yes kepia it omo zo she bo say me problem and no say park be yema na yenya me kicha tikene bidia the problem bi no dey bia consider the ombe make sure say ombeto advance ticket amo match e boze after match we ebizo munya has ebizo munya kotoko ebizo munya has good ebizo munya busu advance so the better na abobo more friendly matches ebrewa ansana the normalization the ever fixed league the ever fixed FA Cup so dio that time le bedu satam na omaji to and also I don't know gradually after you started publicity in about 2 weeks in the cool so you can see baby from when they no air corner and no after the bribete ama ebi a next game and then no you show park by yama but next game no the bayama sa neko you know ana de the more hope wa and the near basina because you go for the anti munim za ha ba GSC ma you bet many schedule support team na da umi ana nam ni ada ne ajanka and then ya kwa chino ne na ma
Asempa FM
sure za ha de bibia ba come.
Okay. Matipa. After this game, New Edibiase Tina Simfosu. Me sure said there wouldn't be any problem from New Edibiase because you team free a year community like New Edibiase. Me sure said you to know any penny for be any bedroom home. And also wash your home. Only more Asia, what bo mama ne o magiatum. A China and then I did obviously said Dino.
Edibiase problem in I stadium Miami do Edibiase. I am in Pasama can once or visit via all politics, but you to know our community. No, when I'm covered team on the buy, Timon will cover by. No, me members will be supported from Tema. Obia Mushon in account. I support to be as the name them Swansea Suma, a nephew, a Kofiaza, a Bracons, a Yenina, to be as that's a journalist and not on account. Later, Ibe Johnny, your friend is Fredachi, Ebe Johnny, generally, mechanic said,
Asempa FM
in a year to be as because of Dubiazi community in the team, community in Abu you to the Bibia was a Dubiazi a year, it will be a similar football piano, a Dubiazi, Bibia was a piazza. Football because community na GP publicity no o bono bi free Canada no bi free ha no afro no adawas e create what yenim wama anopa bi ameso bi na tie di radio so wama ye di akwachi but community no ade na ye pe o ye stadium but stadium na to no stadium no ready ntino so stadium no zo ready a ye di me matimu with you to know, or when you know what you have, or more warning now. And I know I say for so for no one's on a very born. A different, I say for so a cold word to be as here, just 30 minutes drive, 30 minutes per word, into a million answer the bat, at the Piazza for no zoom the bat, Baba. Or what you have here,
Asempa FM.
I almost a million brand, my titima, which will be 8. Tell me, Titim, we, that age in the age, Mrs. Ya. Let me shock her. You know, tells you that. Timuno Zwabre. It is
Asempa FM.
As if for for Timuna tomorrow. Why not? I didn't know there's a go back.
Okay.
Asempa FM.
All right.
That was a car.
And there's Omaka. Now, make it ask me, say, I don't know who to your interview our money. Then it's a or Tibrikuma, President Tima or Geno. Now, Uber can make it as a can do.
Make it chance. You can't the most, the woman come. Are there more than useless? The woman come. And now make it chance. Will be a war. Mayor Salam, a book premiership. Mam Bokram, born night season, my getting my bedroom. Here, because I can be defense.
Asempa FM.
Here, because I can be falling your cry. Now, you know the see the end of my falling. You are forgoing. My best player, my far your friend is swag player of the year. You are near my baby, you are Africa. You are City. The button to be as on. Yamia bought a team of no more framing. They put him in the team, and put him in the team. And then I'm a boy and I will call you now they quote the team. Tana also, Okra 1 year old. The team of we had team yet to make a chance of Boa Macha 150,000 Ghana. 1.5 billion of Boko Toko. Hey, Yanni Okuma, I had 5 Ghana. Niki chance 50 Ghana or 40 Ghana. Niki chance Jessica Bibri. We are not at the team to core education. Or the team now put all. Try and meaning and a core education. Make a call Coshel. me call question no.
Adusalam family teachers as
That's a Mickey Chat.
na me say yeah.
Mama and Casa Scawe was a well community in anyone. Those a man and Kai. Your card says our bomb part him sweeter and then Mickey Chat.
Yeah.
That's
your way.
Also, the Casa of Ghana. The kind of crack
okay, Eddie, and then time no me san. Okay, no me san. I was sing for soup. Park never Jumso Park.
I don't make it chance to go on. I'm cross over.
Oh, okay. And the Obama trauma use for Hormo. Why? Obama trust was sing for soup. Okay, Eddie, I see Abdul Salam. And Yatsi, can I don't know when you make it chance or move.
I think Omu was a relationship. No, Omu disagro no, and it's on the lighter side. And serious comment. And to me, sure say me kitia or no so him say Chama Becca Sachre no. Or no senior opportunity now. Or no, but as I'm not Chama Cano, there's a bit of some sense in it too. Say Techiman pass, Sikana Mickey Shripa, still na went to me until no relegation. To me a smiley to the team this ano if you say hard because administrators no omo problem kese pa sikasem team bia problem sika Ghana you say sponsorships yemba into one also ball homode and na be Venus bi won kwa games dey nhwe ne sa what you say but Techiman dey na ball come na sheda di o match Premier Club ba wa che what you say enti what this team ni ko share one dey na match ebe koso 3 o'clock emmo na kwa na park na ema.
And also, even private sponsorship.
Fantastic.
All your companies
be yeah, make hyper. And now, and you be na me bisa salam no because also nya baby a passion no. E wo ho. Wonim say ubekọ na wo full park. Oh, now ko baby na wanye due diligence na ko tena honom say ombeba na ko matches ba ku mienu miensa na ye car. Remember, obebo other friendly games. They all can say ope kotokwabo, ope house abo. Say new edubiase ko tena asimfo susu on house beba. House anya no ko beje no be 20,000 or 10,000. O dia say, now beko na after the game no enipa ama parka. Na is better say nke bia otena edubiase. Dan say ukoshe honom. And the promises are MC Mount DC the Mount there. And there Mosho sa catch ye betima mon sa promises
promises I know there
ye betima won bi
o timi fa nani to so holy sir
Canada Japan ni o ma egu ni su krom ha yi o de ko kan ho a o beka se bia o dada o ana se bia o nyini papa but na nya ono a because o prioritize nneoma ehia na e bia dubia se be ko be de to so be 2 million ebe ko achire pa enti wonyi na ni free sa ne ma so na wonhunu the community a woko no ene mfaso a obetimi the team na derive from there. I was surprised because your board game ni we no maka say be selecting the pattern e dey akadubia so for what
say local content
mass recruitment
that be local content
fine
but local content no ni say o share community ni bo say team na ye dey aba no ye dey ba mu krum magye atum okay player bia wo krum asemfo su krum ha sei what talent obetimi abobo no de but me quarter na mempe
na because say and after game and you obe selecting the pattern then there is kind of new advice
o say o no be for 20 normal so ka say quarter cry it shouldn't be on quarter basis
but you see football no sound is thriving on and your community bia administrators so mutimi move call other communities cry scouting no magic players dey aba and then they are good udu krom na wo budding talent be ho a on betimi augment with team there I mean no qualms about it ubetimi but okọ because obeso mo accept you nti oko give you first hand promise so after a game we be selecting the pattern and then you say meanwhile you are going to depend on the community to survive for Adubiase to survive. What do you say? I was so thinking about even changing the name because when team survive with
you say I was in for su
what do you say enti me yasin for su yuta me ntimi mfa me sika me support a team a me din na so say new Adubiase the basin for su team be support
no I be basin for su United.
What you say enti enu nyina no these are the steps that so here and say the team na who this team and as a youth now this team belongs to yen the youth and as a the people of Asimfosu. Enti systematic ade enti don't go in with promises because bedu baby no untimi deliver our promises enti youth no untimi and deliver the support because that is what they are promising you. What do you say
now you call parliament and you call who on Abuke Japan and now on Abuke Japan say o dey waji team na to no so now we say we are small boys oh number 2 din oh Abdul Salam no woni oh nice na ja otenetena ho bon komo ni ade awie and I was young budget.
Why?
But you see, there's a danger in. What's your budget?
It's a danger in
because your team is in there, say go leagues in there. I'm not supposed to budget. And then Kempa Ghana League come out now, but your budget can see if I'm confident. And sponsor my budget in the bingy.
I never call danger no.
Try and error, what you? Because say a dubious pa with the town folks and it the we are no more a J new dubious two mono. So me share me some movie club that they call Asempa so.
No, you see the point is that Minister Bakono. Oh, Minister Bakono. But what genuinely Sanka Stadium on come we are then come see no. Come we are.
Abanya na we so be we.
Anka me sure say Abdulsalam only still in free ho.
Okay.
But you na revenue sound from Obuasi to be quiet. Free be quiet. Sako Obuasi biom.
Sure.
Free Obuasi samba be quiet.
But
and son and they free be quiet as dia call.
But eventually stadium ne be we. And are you saying say see we are obesna free Asempa so asan ba nu edubiase ana. Because a government project.
But now the current situation is say the project has been abandoned.
Okay. Okay. I get your point. I get your point.
And also no Sanko definite date be that the name say with certainty. Say they no best by 2 years time we stadium now. You bet me akonkon be kwa kakra no atwen.
But enti no make special reference to Mickey Charles. Tachiman aban project be any ho. Doma aban project be any ho. There are other clubs are wo munya aban project be this communal labor let's do our own field. Yenye say na meet a required standard. Na yenye ntum ne mo. You see in that case no community ni feel a part of that project and as a facility away no and so more bar they come in their bulk majority. What you say?
And a good point, but and I just said this is assembly this way
well
the reason is that Obakaya even Domain crew Africa apart from the nana air to make sure say be meet standard no
yeah
this district assembly no so be boy
okay
Chelsea any Arsenal na at least this be boy but me be no Sanka Park net down be on bomb division 2 no Sanka ya two wall afa ho this assembly between ka so ya fa
wall in the kwa ho ka
two wall ni na wie ni na perimeter between our Premier League match ho
Edubiase on top player down
was it
Salam on top player da na
is it they would have investment no so aye no investment commands aye top player no
but Mosho but the point is that se sikaba na utimi make facilities ni da eno na be boa mo atimi on ete talent no waton wo mo what you say and the sikani na ba na ye say o investment inti ye de koshem ni ye real fit facility na because who dey bed nyina koto aban so a we say oh yeah 77 adwuma bia
scan football say they come say scan ba e say di kan tete kakra
yeah chop yeah ye dey be team and I understand.
Well,
I understand.
Now you risk na ye tam dia kwhye stadium numuna
because enka bia ya sha ya walk kakra I see no sponsorship bar if you are to award so yeah grass in kakra bi e bedru baby for all you know now wakushia investor bi no be bia be support it but we wa say bia stadium ni community ha entime movie meko ha na wunya investor bia tem bia no e ma problem no en sheda nye stable I think say empen for better so no oma assess ni nyina e be boa pa
okay yenkwe na yembo amana no de kakra ngum yemmo ye ni akoma kakra o fufu party na se ne hwese nkwan be na ehuru ni ade a
nkwan de ekoso
so wala de ekoso
ele me contact ya nam
preview to nkwan anwa na adwa man for start some moye nti say nkwan na clamase a hwese ne Mexico so ahwe light e nkwan ni anya nkwan asem na ne atwa ne sem 100% nipa ni na converge kama na fi start ehye see a planning committee mini motor wumbi nti eka ye suggestion champion for say u di hufu ani abo stamp se na be ya ibetimi hu nya sa hu
wala amanfo koba
good amanfo koba na resistance bi nso so ohwe omuni hwe ya no pa mu ba ya no so nsa ma gc omani manya nkwala sem sa ankofo no se unim no anseve omu ya obetimi create chaos
but almost start twetwa bi
oh yeah ma first start twetwa bi obi so kwa de kakaduro ne nyama ba ono nkasa so
etwi na kakaduro
utwi no utwi one Ghana
okay now is a creative business opportunities amanko for
yes very good
wow
utwi one Ghana I just am for utwi
woni nkwana ye diama o sa hwe kakaduro di idea gusu
o de kakaduro ne jeni ne na mnabo ka ho
and also be your business
gosua wo ho ayewa wo ho a pese 15 won be amfifi am akwa
ba to bi wa ha that's obi so to bi a odidi wi atimi gene de no ahuru na so de ajo de
next time I said the aboso ba
say aboso mu fi kofori aba because so fi kofori aba na asem keto oboasefo nyina ba omu na the basket here
aba with ayewa
a say omu ba be di fufu keke akọ
ba kwajo
e ho donti
kwajo ya say wo mo ye choba ahodo a wo minim nkwaye no omdoso I was saying a feel and a taste of the brain now. You think I say a quani a didn't quani could feel. I say to me who you share her near whom and quantity fine because job of one every account
ratings after when some privilege no
because I know what you and I saw a girl crown find your
na next week na me no kakanka so I say
oh you and I saw a girl I'm finding your head because I'm
twa kontomo ba ko ha no move no twa kontomo nti twa kontomo no hwe nkwan na wa hu taste no wa move to the next one
what you say
no twa no hwe
very good nti eno say so strategic en sabe maintain nti kakra udu ba bia o mo kakra wa twa kakra
say ma me bi to wo to fufu pa ne pork nyi
kwajo ngofo ba o ngofo ba
na ho ma chena me du ano
oh go for banyom for na dia to obi aba abofo
and na o ma ya o ya elite
o ma dia ba ya elite nti o ya se na ya tam kakra pese fufu ne pese be che ne tem na asa ma for be yi so ana o se enso ye pentem akwadanse akohwe new di biase ne
select ya asemfo so
say new di biase adanse for no o mo capital no adwuma ni krom ho nti boys be dia be hwe match nti enyi se di be di fufu bi sa
o fufu dia be twa ni edi imada ya ko betwi
have what it takes to pick the winner of the NBA Finals. Betway is giving you the chance to put your skills to the test. Predict each round of the NBA playoffs and the winner of the NBA Finals. You could walk away $10,000 richer. Entry is free. Sign up today and pick the playoffs exclusively at Betway. Betway, for the love of the game.
6 March 2019 year, a holiday. Nasa done on Manchester United Ekopium Park the Prince and the PSG Diakopimso. UEFA Champions League round of 16 second leg. First leg in the Bukamu 2-0 Man United. All Ghana social say Achiane Muye Agroniform. A PSG versus Manchester United. Live commentary was Asempa so. Share what Tesano cottage what Tesano. Total filling station in Chenwa. You do what bisa. Akwala Pramecho. Premier Muscle. Kaya 6 March 2019. 8 p.m. sharp. DSTV. Go TV. And a Slink Bet na DSC. See you there.